I have been working hard on building muscle, and this drink is one of the most important parts of my routine. Muscle mass naturally starts to decline in your mid-30s to 40s, and body fat tends to increase. After giving birth to my son, I noticed my stomach became very loose, and getting a toned stomach has been very challenging. Even after working out for a while, I still haven't fully achieved the tone I want, but I'm actually actively working on it. I also want to say that working out isn't just about looks. It's about health, strong muscles, a healthy metabolism, and a good circulation all support your overall health. Besides lifting weight and doing full body workouts, a balanced diet is very important. Today I want to share one of the protein drinks I have every morning. It's become a habit. I depend on it. The first ingredient is matcha. It's packed with antioxidants. Protect your skin from damage, protects collagen, keeps skin firm, reduces inflammation, skin looks calmer, improves body flow, skin looks brighter, provides energy and less stress, which slows aging. Matcha helps your skin age slower, but it works the best when paired with enough protein, good sleep, sun protection, and regular exercise. It's not magic, it's just a really good daily habit. How much I use? About 1 teaspoon. Use up to 2 teaspoons if you want a stronger antioxidant boost. The second ingredient is black bean. I add black bean for extra protein and fiber and to balance the sweetness. I personally like semi-sweet flavor. Black beans helps with aging and muscle support, so it repels muscles and skin. Antioxidants protect against wrinkles and fiber, support digestion and keeps blood sugar steady, and vitamins, minerals keep your body health. How much I use? I add about 4 teaspoons, adjust to taste. I also add a pinch of cinnamon and a pumpkin pie just for extra flavor. The third ingredient is protein powder. I've been using this protein powder for over a year. I really love it. I put the link in the description if you want the same one. Protein drinks help if you don't get enough protein from food. You want something quick after the gym. You exercise 2 to 4 times a week. And protein drinks won't help if you don't do strength training. You already eat enough protein. When to take protein? Anytime is fine, but after workout is the best. I use half a scoop because I don't like my drink too sweet. Sometimes I have 2 drinks a day. How I make the drink? I mix all the ingredients with zero-fat milk. You could use any plant-based milk. I heat 8 ounces of milk in the microwave for 2 minutes, then blend everything in high-speed blender. It turns out like latte, smooth and delicious. I also linked the blender in the description. This is one of my favorite household items because it blends everything so smoothly. This drink supports younger-looking skin, muscle recovery, and steady energy. But remember, it's just one habit. Sleep, exercise, and good nutrition matters. I work out every other day except the days I'm sick or have no energy.